Okay, now one more question for log. Here you have to find the value of x for this equation, okay? So your x is in the base, okay? It's not year, okay? It's that normally we have. The first thing we have here, we have 2. Okay, let the 2 be there, okay? Now what we can do is, this is being subtracted, okay? When log m minus log n you have, what does that mean? It means you need to divide, okay? 25 is being divided by 5, and then you have x over here. You have log x 1 by 125. Now what will happen? You will have to multiply these two because they are in addition. So you'll have log x 25 by 5 is 5, okay? So 5 into 125 is equals to 2. So this is 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are, and then again 25. This is log x 1 by 25 is equals to 2, okay? So now how will you write this? This is log x 1 by 5 ka square, okay? Now if I take this 2 down, you'll have 2 log x 1 by 5 is equals to 2, okay? So what do we finally have is log x 1 by 5 is equals to 1, okay? Log x 1 by 5 is equals to 1. Now you will use the basic exponential thing, okay? So x to the power 1 is equals to 1 by 5. So x is equals to 1 by 5 is my answer. Okay, this is one type. I will do one more as well. You have log 10x minus log 10. 2x minus 1 is equals to 1. So your the base is same, no problem. Now these are being subtracted, so you will directly divide them, okay? So x by 2x minus 1. The problem is you don't have any log here, but what I had already said is 1 is log 10, right, in the first or second video. Similarly, if it had been 2, you would have written log 100. If it had been 3, you had written log 1000, okay? So now log cancels off. You have x, you will not do this, never, okay? X 2x minus 1, the next step you will just not write it, it's anti-logged, the log is gone. So x is equals to 10 into 2x minus 1. Simple solving now. Just open the bracket. 20x minus 10. So this will be 10 is equals to 20x minus x, which is equals to 19x. So x is equals to 19 by 10. No, x is equals to 10 by 19, okay? Because 10 is on the top, 19 is being going down, okay? So this is one more simple question. I'll do one more question. I'll explain the last formula that was left as well, base changing formula as well. Okay, now you have log am. So your base here is whatever. I want to change it to another base. I want to change it to say b. So I'll write, instead of a, first I'll write log bm. That's done. Divided by, instead of a, I'll again write log b, but instead of m, now I'll write a. Okay, here, see this question. You have log 2x, you have log 4x, you have log 16x, and you have been given this. You want to find the value of x. The problem here is that everywhere the base is different. I can't use the addition formulas because the base are different. So what I will have to do is, I'll have to change the base. Okay, so how will I do that? I will write log, I'll change the base to x, okay? Because here we have x everywhere. So I'll change the base to x instead of 10, okay? So log x by log x2. Is it clear? I took the base as x, so both place denominator and numerator I write log x, and whatever is over here I'll write in the numerator, and whatever is in the base I'll write in the denominator. Similarly, you'll have log xx by log x4 plus log base xx by log x16 is equals to 21 by 4. Now what did I say in the very first video? That log a is 1. So basically log xx is 1. So you'll have 1 log x2 plus 1 by log x4 plus 1 by log x16 is equals to 21 by 4. Now all of this is in denominator, okay? Now you can change. 4 is 2 to the power 2, 16 is again 2 to the power 4. Then you can take out log x by 2 common and you can solve, okay? I'll show that, just a second. Okay, so this is the thing now. Log x2, that was 4, so 2 to the power 2, and this was 16, so 2 to the power 4. Now I'll bring all the powers down. Okay, so you'll have 1 by log x2 plus 1 by 2 log x2 plus 1 by 4 log x2. Okay, now what I will do is I'll take this 1 by log x2 outside, bahar. Okay, so I'll have 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 is equals to 21 by 4. Okay, see, every question is not going to be same. You need to understand when you have to take common, when you don't have to take common, when you can simplify like that, or whenever simply. One thing remember, when every base is different, and so better to base change. Okay, and then solve. So this is 21 by 4. Now I'll just take addition of all of these, taking the LCM and everything. I'll get 7 by 4. Okay, so log x by 2 in the denominator into 7 by 4 I'll get. Okay, which is equals to 21 by 4. So 4 cancels off. 7 ones are 7, 3s are. So this is 3 over here. Okay, so if this is in reciprocal, if I change, it will be like 1 by 3, correct? This is 1 by log x base 2 is 3. So if I do the ulta, you get like this. Now if I just normally do the exponential format, base is x, 1 by 3 is equals to 2. So x to the power 1 by 3 is equals to 2. So that is basically what? 8, right? Because if I just, this is 1 by 3, right? So if I want to remove this 1 by 3, I'll take a cube on both the sides, which will get me what? X is equals to 2 to the power 3, which is equals to 8. So this is how you do with base changing formula as well. So with this, I think I've covered almost basic of logs. If you practice other questions, it should be clear.